need for more cost-effective production in the mining industry has led to the use of larger equipment and purpose-built vehicles for specific mine site applications. Tiger Engineering, already renowned for their ability to fill a need in the mining industry with the Tiger wheel dozers, has designed such a vehicle. The TMV, an all-wheel drive cab chassis built to endure mine site operating conditions and for multiple mine site applications. This variable application prime mover was designed around the need to provide the mining industry with a truck or prime mover that has the rugged, reliable features of large dump trucks combined with the rough terrain capability of articulated style vehicles. To produce a vehicle with all these features, Tiger Engineering combined their experience gained through manufacturing large earth-moving equipment with the proven performance and reliability of Caterpillar components. The box section chassis is designed to have high bending and torsional rigidity. This allows the load module to be free of chassis-borne stress. The load module can be rigidly attached to the chassis as no torsion has to be taken up by the module. All major componentry on the TMV is supplied by Caterpillar. A 325 horsepower direct injection turbo aftercooled Caterpillar diesel engine. Single-stage torque converter with freewheeling stator and automatic lockup in each gear. 5-speed power shift transmission with large diameter clutch packs. Heavy-duty cast steel drive axles are designed to meet all job applications. The steerable front axle provides a tight turning circle, making it an ideal vehicle for confined areas such as pit floors or haul roads. The long wheelbase, wide track and low center of gravity also contribute to stability in all conditions. The cabin is designed and built to meet the tough demands of mine site use. Confident machine operation for top productivity is promoted with a fully adjustable air suspension seat, convenient control placement, and good all-round visibility. These features with the TMV's added suspension and flotation greatly enhance operator comfort. Daily service checks are easy, safe and time-saving with in-cab access to the engine bay. Access for operator safety and ease of operation has also been a design consideration for major servicing. Whatever the application, special design features can be incorporated to maximize operator safety, ease of operation, and efficiency. 2 models of the TMV are available, the 4x4 TMV40 and the 6x6 TMV60. Both designed around the heavy-duty box section chassis, making it the perfect platform for customized on-site support vehicles. Ground support, drill platform, explosives, water truck, fire truck, personnel carrier, timber and heavy-duty off-road haulage, and lubrication and maintenance. This purpose-built service truck body was designed around the TMV chassis because of its excellent carrying capacity and mine site application. The ease with which the operator can carry out in-field servicing ensures increased productivity, whilst at the same time reducing the likelihood of physical strain or injury. Because of its large carrying capacity, the TMV offers less in-depot refilling or stocking up time and increased in-field servicing and productivity for all applications. Every mine site or heavy industrial operation could benefit greatly from the introduction of the multi-purpose all-terrain TMV. The TMV, specifically designed for your mine site and heavy-duty off-highway application. Tiger Engineering. Today's answers, tomorrow's technology.